Premium materials. Our nail files are made with top-quality adhesive tape and emery board materials. Designed with semicircle shape double sides, these nail files provides you a comfortable nail-doing experience. Washable nail files. This nail files can be washed with water, quick, easy to clean and used many times. Professional nail filing tools. At perfect size of 7.09 by 1.10 by 0.16 inches, these nail art tools are great for filing nails before nail treatment, nail extension. Ideal for natural and artificial nails, manicure and pedicure, making your nails more natural and beautiful. Also suitable for pet grooming. Flexible customization. Know what you're using. Each nail file has a custom printed, includes 100 180ths, 100 100ths, 150 150ths, 240 240ths grit nail buffering files. Must have in salons and home. Must have in professional salons and DIY nail art at home. A terrific gift for girls who love nail art as birthday gift, Christmas gift, Halloween gift. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect shape. Great for shaping my dip nails. I didn't think the shape would make that much a difference, but it really does. Helps create a great cuticle line even when using my non-dominant hand. Staple mail supply.